Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Rafidah Fitriana and my friend Cintyah Nur Febry. We are going to presenting about infinitive phrase. The material 1. Definition 2. Examples 3. Parts 4. Types and 5. How to avoid mistakes. 1. Definition. An infinitive phrase is a group of words that uses an infinitive to plus verb. An infinitive is a verbal, a word that expresses action. So, an infinitive phrase has the same role of expressing action in a sentence. An infinitive phrase is the infinitive form of a verb plus any complements and modifier. An infinitive is formed from the word to, together with the base form or present tense of a verb: to write, to shimmer, to skate, to stop, to use, to see. 2. Examples. Here are some examples of infinitive phrases, both on their own and as parts of full sentence. To plant a garden. To go on vacation. I told the dog to run home quickly. I want to eat pizza for dinner. 3. Parts of infinitive phrase. A. Infinitives. This means most essential part of an infinitive phrase is an infinitive. So, what's an infinitive? Quick, simple. It's the word to plus the base form of a verb, like this. To study. To plus study. To play. To plus play. B. Object. An object is the word or a noun or a pronoun affected by the word in a sentence. So in an infinitive phrase, it's the word being affected by the infinitives. Here are some examples of objects in infinitive phrase. To study math. To play guitar. C. Modifiers. A modifier is an adjective or adverb that alters other words in a sentence, making it more descriptive. Infinitive phrases often include modifier. Here are some examples. 1. To study advanced math. Adjective modifying math. To eat a clam sandwich. Adjective modifying sandwich. To play guitar beautifully. Adverb modifying to play. To live the very queenly. Adverb modifying to live.
Okay, the next material is types of infinitive phrase. A. Infinitive phrase as a noun. When an infinitive phrase works like a noun, it answers the question what. So, the infinitive phrase will be the subject which does the verb, or an object which receives the action of the verb. Here's some example. I don't want to study for my test. What don't you want? Is the object. To get good grades is my goal. What is the goal? Is the subject. B. Infinitive phrase as an adjective. When an infinitive phrase acts like an adjective in a sentence, it describes a noun or a pronoun, so that means it will describe a subject or an object. Here's some example. I want a tutor to help me study. Describes the tutor. I need a magazine to read on the train. Describe the magazine. C. Infinitive phrase as an adverb. When an infinitive phrase works like an adverb, it modifies the verb in a sentence. Adverb answer questions like where, when, why, how, and for what reason or purpose. So as an adverb, the infinitive will answer the same questions. I went home to study for math. Where did you go? The next material is how to avoid mistakes. A phrase isn't a sentence. There's one rule that is really easy to remember. An infinitive phrase can be a full sentence on its own. Like all phrases, it doesn't contain the subject-verb combination that forms a clause. You can think about it this like, since a noun, adverb, or adjective can be a full sentence, neither can an infinitive phrase. It is just a part of a sentence and needs an independent clause to be complete. B. Prepositional phrases beginning with to are not infinitive. A prepositional phrase expresses time and location and can sometimes begin with to, even though they also use the word to. Prepositional phrases are different than infinitive because infinitive combine to and a verb, while prepositional phrases combine to with a noun or pronoun. For example, go to bed. You can give that to me. I'm going to my house. The letter is addressed to you. Each of these examples is the word to plus a noun, not a verb, so these are prepositional phrases, not infinitive phrases. Okay, our material is enough. If there is a mistake, we are apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.